yellow and black signs. Now, did you realise that these yellow and black signs are temporary signs? They're used when there's roadworks. So yellow and black signs are temporary signs. So, for example, if the road you want to go on is, you can't go up there because there's been a crash or there's roadworks, and you can't go that way, but you want to get to Liverpool. They say, well, you can't go on that road, but you can go on that road and then that road and then that road. So they may say to you, if you want to go to Liverpool, follow the black squares. But if you want to get to Birmingham, follow the triangles. And if you want to get to Scotland, follow the circles. Does that make sense? So you may follow shapes. So this one here is another yellow and black sign, another temporary sign. But what does it mean? So many people don't understand it. Does it mean the motorway is closed ahead? Does it mean use the furthest right lane only? Motorway contraflow ahead? Or does it mean leave the motorway? Let me show you. This is showing you a 3-lane motorway. There are 3 lanes for traffic going up the road, and there are 3 lanes for traffic coming down the road. Now, if on this side of the motorway, there was roadworks, so they closed these 2 lanes. Now, this side of the motorway has only got 1 lane to use. So what they will do is make a gap in the central reservation, and they'll get traffic from this side of the motorway to go to the wrong side of the motorway. So the green car would go over to the wrong side of the motorway. The red car would go into lane 3. Now this green car is driving against the flow of the normal traffic, opposite to the flow. And the word for that is contraflow. So this is a contraflow system on a motorway. This sign is showing you that one of the arrows is going through the central reservation, like this arrow goes through the central reservation. So this is a contraflow motorway sign. On a contraflow motorway, you need to get in lane early and stay in that lane. Don't keep moving lanes. And because the lanes will be narrower, they'll ask you to drive slower. Because some cars are going to the wrong side of the motorway, they'll ask you to drive slower. So the speed limit with this sign is 30 miles per hour. So now you know, don't you, what this sign means? It's easy. It's giving you information. And it's a temporary sign, and it's telling you there's a motorway contraflow ahead of you. Fantastic. And can you all see what this gap actually means? This gap is a car or a vehicle going through the central reservation and driving on the wrong side of the motorway. So it's going to be going contraflow against the flow of the other traffic.